Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can skip songs with your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so I have to put the right one to the ear and I'm going to show you the preview on the left one, but it works the same for the right one. So at first we have to cover the sensor, and as you can see, let me just catch focus on it. Okay, right here we can find this small cutout in the AirPod. It's the touch sensor. And if you want to skip any song, at first let's play it, we have to pinch 2 times quickly. As you can see, we go for another song. One more time, and another song. If you want to go for the previous song, you have to click but 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there it is. Let's go for another one for the next song. 2 times. So basically you have to press 2 times to go for another song and 3 times to go for the previous song. And that's how you can make it for the left and the right AirPod on the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. That's the default function. You don't have to change it in the settings, just use this touch control panels. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.